Bring him from the yard. Arr.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and what I have for you today is my next episode of What's in the Case? Alright, so let's get right to it here. I pulled 12 cards out of one of my cases, and we're going to take a look at them. So to start with, we have a Red Baron. So we have a Red Baron. It's a straight axle car. And you've probably seen this in one of my new arrivals videos. Alright, so next we have another Red Baron, which is another straight axle car. And I'm sure you saw that in probably the same episode. And my turntable is having a mind of its own, because I pushed the wrong button. There we go. So we'll leave those up there for now. And let's get these out of the way. And next we have a custom Eldorado. This is a Swixteen. This is a Swixteen car, guys. Did you know that? This is a Sweet 16 US car. It has the bearing wheels. It has an intact hood. And someday on the channel that will be a restoration. The next thing I have for you is another custom Eldorado US car. It's missing the rear wheels. I've already drilled this apart, and this was before I had a tap, so I used the screws to cut the threads. And I've already pre-fit the hood. It's not, obviously I haven't attached it yet. And this is one of the hoods that I bought from the Redline shop, so when I go to restore this car, I will have to be extremely careful of this hood. So that's there. And then we have another US custom Eldorado, same deal as far as that goes. I do have a replacement glass for this. And see, this one didn't cut the threads all the way when I put the screw in. And again, and then what's funny is somebody tried to fix this car and they put a large cap wheel on the back and it doesn't fit. It's rubbing there. So there's that one. Okay. And then I want to show you some of my custom Barracudas. Alright, so here's an Aqua Hong Kong car. Again, this one was missing a hood and I pre-fit it. It's not fully installed yet, but at some time this will be a restoration on the channel. And I don't remember if I got this hood from the Redline shop or if I bought it off of eBay, but in either case, that will be something that we have to work with there. Almost looks like this car's bent a little bit. Never noticed that before. It rolls very well. And then we have another custom Barracuda. This is a Hong Kong car. I don't know. This is a Hong Kong car as well. Another Aqua. This one has the original hood in it. Let's see. It does open. It is intact. Both pins. So this is going to make a great restoration someday on the channel. This one, see how dark this window is? That's a replacement glass that I put in that one. Because when I was buying these cars a couple years ago, I was putting the parts that I bought for the cars with them, and I thought, well, what better place to keep the replacement glass and the hoods than in the cars that they're going to be installed in. So I actually drilled apart a bunch of cars and, use it, pre-fit the hoods. So when I go to do the restorations, that part of it's already done. So then we have another custom Barracuda in green, and this is a US car. The hood is intact. So someday this is going to be a restoration on the channel. Alright, so then I have a custom Corvette. This is a US car. I believe that's antifreeze. I could be wrong. It might be a different color. If it's a different color, just let me know. Okay. Don't mind telling me if I'm wrong about that. The hood is intact. So someday this will make a great restoration on the channel. We have another custom Corvette. This is a US car. It was missing the hood when I bought it. And on this one, the hood just goes in from the top, and then these will get pinched together. And this is a hood that I bought off of eBay. And I don't remember which seller I bought it from. Looks like there's two sellers on eBay that sell that hood. And I bought parts from both of them, so I can recommend either seller. They're both great people, and they both have great products. So if you go look those up, if you need a hood for a US car. I haven't seen the one for the Hong Kong. I've seen the one for the US. Okay. We have another custom Corvette, and this is a Hong Kong car, and this is a beautiful, beautiful aqua color. The glass is broken, cracked, but that'll make a great restoration channel. That'll make a great restoration channel. Yeah, right. That'll make a great restoration on the channel. And last but not least, for this week, I have for you a Hong Kong custom Corvette that I bought off of eBay, already restored in root beer. And it was just such a beautiful car, I could not pass it up. This is not a recent purchase. I actually purchased this a couple years ago, and at this point I would not purchase a car that's already been restored. And it has a cracked glass in it. They did use a replacement hood on here, so you can see how they put the super glue in there to hold it on, and it just pivots on the pins. So I don't think they actually pinched the hood together. I think they just super glued it in place. Beautiful, beautiful car. They used the pins instead of the screws when they assembled it and glued them in. And I am seeing glue on the base there, but it's a Hong Kong car with US wheels. Those are the used wheels. That's an original wheel there. I never noticed that before, so it looks like they touched this one up with a Molotov pen. I'll probably swap those out for yeah, I think most definitely I'll swap those wheels out sometime for the deep dish, the bright shiny ones, or yeah, we'll see. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click that like button for me. It really helps the channel out a lot. Leave a comment down below. What do you think of these cars? And ring that bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time. I forgot to show this car on my my bonus video for new arrivals. It's a original cap wheel front and rear Demon. The Demon. It came with that other lot of cars with the bug in it. I just figured I'd show you that real quick. I saw it sitting there. I was like, oh yeah, I thought there was another car with that. So, all right. See you next time.